Hello, welcome. Jacqueline here again, and we have a question from our followers kung ano bang ginagawa sa TESOL um, certification. So, TESOL, wala namang video na sasagutan, no? Just, if you are from 51 Talk, I encourage you to at least enroll a training or book a training dun po sa TESOL natin. So that our trainer or coach will at least guide you on how to answer it. Ang galing kasi nung training, so yung question sasabihin na, so one-on-one kayo lahat, no, si trainer sasabihin niya yung question at ibibigay niya yung two best options to answer your so mayroon siyang babasahin lang na dalawang choices, sasagot ka lang doon. So I think that was 30 items at least ang passing is 15 and up. So, madali lang. So, mas maganda kung nasa 51 Talk po kayo ay mag-enroll po kayo or mag-book ng training sa TESOL para mag-guide kayo. And then, pending yung second type of the TESOL process is the essay. So, what I do, so, i-copy-paste lang po ninyo at i-chat GPT nyo na lang. And then, wag naman mag-rely sa chat GPT. If you want, you can also modify the chat GPT provided essay sentences. So, ayun, madali lang. So, ini-encourage nila na i-submit agad para at least ma-certify po agad, no? So, madali lang talaga. So, mas maganda kung mag-review kayo kung may mga videos sa YouTube or dito sa TikTok. You can also do that if you are not a 51 Talk teacher. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a great day, everyone.